Hello, hello. So here is this quick video I wanted to do for you to show you how to take off water slides. So this was the sample snowman, and I want to take them off of here because I want to use the mug for something else. And the trick to this is apple cider vinegar. Now, I don't know if regular vinegar works. I would assume it does. This was all I had in the house. I was trying like Goof Off and sprays and everything, and I thought, well, what are the chances? So all you have to do is take a bowl, and you do have to pour quite a bit in here so you can see it, and you want to lay it down. And I chose this bowl because it won't spill over, and you can see that the slide is all the way in there. See how the slide is submerged? So it is going to take some time, and when it's ready to come off, I will come back and show you exactly what happens. It just really slides right off. So it does take about a couple of hours. It's not going to be right away, so just be patient and let it do its trick, and then why hassle with trying to scrape it off when this easily comes off. Okay, so I have had my mug, I'd say about an hour and a half, and you can see the face is already coming off. So sometimes it needs to be a little bit more. So if it's just a section, but look, it comes right off. Otherwise, you would not be able to get this off. Okay? So that is how simple this is, and then you just run it under some water, and you are all fresh to start again. So I'm going to do this side and use my mug for another project, but I wanted to share with all of you how to do that in case you get stuck and you can't get your water slide off. So I will see you on the next one. Bye now.